Here, it's the Verizon media box, right? It doesn't give any signal to the TV.
Let me see the back. Let me see the back of this connection.
Now I put it back in at a coax. Let me see.
You have to have coax connection.
Yeah, I know. Right here.
Right here.
Right.
And where's the other end of the coax?
Right here.
And okay, so one coax is going
To this box right here.
Okay, but then okay, so the Ethernet cable. Where's this Ethernet cable going?
The Ethernet cable, this one is from the optical box.
I'm sorry, we lost the visual. It's
From the ONT
Verizon
box right here.
router or from your router?
From here
We lost the visual. Okay.
From
okay,
here?
So this is
To
going
here.
to the Verizon router?
Yeah, now I put it back the same way. But you want me to try, plug in my router straight to here, and you will see this media box it's shut down. I didn't do it yet.
Okay. Okay, so the way that the setup should be, sir, is that it's connected through the Verizon network, sir.
Yeah, right here.
Not through another, right.
This one, it's connected to the van right here. Right
And
now,
your TV is not working now?
now it's working. But when I plug in, my input over here, it doesn't give me any signal. That's what it is. So that's why I can't use, like this router right here.
Okay, so you're trying to do like a bridge system, is that correct?
I can do that. Now it doesn't set up that way. That's why, I'm asking you, see if I can change it.
If you want your TV to work, it has to be connected to the Verizon network, sir. If it's not connected to the Verizon network, it's not gonna work as we would like.
Okay, so my router, instead of okay, I can do these connections, right? The one you mentioned, TV is working fine, but my router, instead of plug them, like right here, you see the LAN port, it doesn't give me any signal. So
Because we do not support that, sir.
you do not
We
support
don't
this
support that.
because it's residential
We don't
account.
support that the type of right. We don't support the bridge connection.
Okay, for residential, we cannot do like bridge connection.
Well, I mean, you could do it, sir, but we don't support it. And this is television, since everything is done through Wi-Fi, it's going to be kind of hard for you to get any Wi-Fi connection if it's bridge. For your TV to work.
That's right. Yeah, because when you set up this one as bridge mode, this doesn't pick up the Wi-Fi.
Right.
Okay. But it has like a Ethernet port at the back. Can I use that? Right here?
And
Right here?
the coax is what gives it the signal.
I know, but if I terminate this coax, I plug, like Ethernet port right here, straight to the Verizon box here. Can I do that?
The Ethernet port from what device? From your router?
No, from your router, from the Verizon router, at the back of here, the LAN, straight to at the back here, to the media box. Can I do that?
It's the coax that is giving the support, sir. But the coax is giving it the feed from the ONT and the router.
Oh, okay. So
That's why it's
these
connected to a
media
splitter.
need to pick up the signal from the ONT and the Verizon router too.
Correct.
Okay. So if I do bridge mode, it won't let this media work because I have to shut down the Wi-Fi, correct? Because this guy being like dummy, like bridge, correct?
That's the bridge is not gonna work. And also, sir, like the other box that's connected in the dining room, it needs to be on the Verizon TV network
Okay.
as well.
Okay.
It's on the
That
wrong network.
that one is still wrong network. I think it's
That's
get
the
the
wrong
signal
paper.
from here. You don't see it connect from here?
It's connected, but it's not connected to the TV. The one in the kitchen is connected to the Verizon underscore Y96E3Q.
Oh, the one
TV.
the one label as Verizon Kitchen?
Yes.
Okay.
That's connected to the correct network. The one that says dining room is not correct. It's connected to the right network. So you may get some buffering as well.
Yeah. I work as IT network too. You know, like some places, my clients, they have ONT with this router, but they are on the commercial. You know, like the restaurant, right? So that way, it's can be work as a bridge, correct? Because it's working fine. You know.
Right,
Okay.
Okay. The bridge connection can work, but we don't support it. So it will be very hard for a connection with the bridging network.
Okay.
For the TV.
And what's the reason your router it's not feeding the signal to my router? Why are you blocking?
Because we don't support that. We don't support it, sir.
That's why
if anything happens, we can't troubleshoot it. There's nothing that we can do on our end.
Okay. So you like this router to be your main in the residential?
Correct.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, and lastly is, you know, like to make it work, I know that, you know, maybe you couldn't answer, but, you know, like, I'm sure I can make it work, but, you know, like to get a Mocha adapters, you know, plug them into here, and then from that adapter to this media boxes, you know, that devices, you know, like I can pick it up from Amazon. Is that working too?
I'm sorry, what are you trying to do, sir?
The Mocha adapters. If I use that adapter with your steamer, is that working?
Well, I'm just trying to think, and your TV is working. I'm seeing that the televisions are connected.
Yeah.
The televisions are connected because of the way that it's set up.
I know this is the way that it's supposed to set up, right? But if I plug my router straight to the ONT, right? So your router is shut down. That's why the TV is not working. So if I pick up the Mocha adapters, right, to feed the coax signal and Ethernet to the box, this box right here, it's working too.
Which box? Which box that you are you?
This media
Your
box.
router. The BMS. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the connection is through Mocha through the coax.
I know. I can pick up that adapter and try it. Because right now, you know, like if I unplug, you know, like this, right? It doesn't pick up from the ONT. So I can use a Mocha adapter, right? Plug them into the coax and then feed the signal to here. So my question is, do you block anything?
We don't block anything, sir. But if you want a direct connection from here to
Right.
the BMS box, it's not gonna pick up. It's not gonna pick up the connection for the router.
Oh, okay. You have to pick up the signal from here anyway. This is controller.
That's correct.
Okay.
It's not a controller, but it does need the signal, the file signal.
Yeah, put this way, without this and this media box is not working.
That's correct.
Okay. And if you plug in another router from your router, you prevent that, so you disable that too, so you don't feed the signal.
Well, I mean, you could do it,
From
sir,
here.
but like a lot of devices, that's called bridging, sir. If you do that, a lot of your devices will not be working.
Okay, you have to set up as a bridge.
Bridge mode, and a lot, it's yes.
Okay. Only one way to make this one work is I have to change to bridge, but you know, like some equipment not working, like this media.
Right, I'm sorry about that.
Okay. All right. Okay. It's a clear from you, so I have to, you know, like, yeah, explain to people over here. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. So is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that should be it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for choosing Verizon and have a wonderful day.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
เป็นไงเคลียร์ไหม